Hey guys, welcome back to Kevin's channel. Today we're going to be unboxing and building the Ninjago Master of Spinjitzu Lego set, and let's move on. Here we have got instruction 2, and here we have got instruction 1. Here are all the stickers. Bag 1, bag 2. So let's move on. Hey guys, I'm coming to the end of bag 1. Hope you are enjoying it. Stay tuned for bag 2 and see you guys later. Hey guys, I'm away to start on bag number 2. Here's instructions for bag number 2. And I've made the blue one and we're going to build that one. So let's get started. Hey guys, coming to the end of bag 2. I'll show you what it's like when I finish this bit. Tell me what you think in the comments. Give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. So just finish this part, then I'm done.
I chase the picture perfect life, I think they painted it wrong. I think that money is the root of all evil and fame is hell. Relationships and hearts you fix, they break as well. And ain't no
Here we go. Bye, see you in my next video.